Is the United States what Stephen Covey would call a principle-centered nation or an enemy-centered nation? I believe the Founding Fathers were certainly motivated by principle. Stephen Covey says there are all these different types of centers you could have for your existence. You could have your church, yourself, your spouse, your family, principles, enemy, material possessions, pretty much anything. He says the best is principle-centered. So hopefully the United States is principle-centered. The U.S. Constitution, particularly the Bill of Rights, has been one of the greatest and most noble documents of principles in human history. I'm not saying we're the only examples of such nobility, but we are one of the greatest. Thus, I believe the Founding Fathers were motivated by principles. Even though you're motivated by principles, it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to avoid all conflicts. They did fight the Revolutionary War, after all. But they didn't need perpetual conflict. When you're enemy-centered, you're always looking for an enemy. So you're always going to be engaged in some type of battle. They won their war, they did what they needed to do, and then they got busy starting a new nation. They were proactive. They had a vision, and they let it come out. Of course, they weren't perfect, and there were still many flaws with American society back then. One of the biggest was slavery. They were on the right track, and they were principle-centered. A lot of people are going to say, in this day and age, we have strayed from the vision of the Founding Fathers. I believe this is certainly valid in many cases, perhaps entirely. We certainly have strayed. And some would say, we are no longer a nation of principles. We are a nation that wants to find an enemy, whether it's the Soviet Union, Bin Laden, or whatnot. I've heard one theory that people say is we always need an enemy to get people focused on something besides our own government. I think that is quite possible. But I don't think that's the way our Founding Fathers would want to live. Principles are the best thing. And they certainly had some great ones. All men are created equal and endowed with certain inalienable rights, such as life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And those still ring true today. And those, my friends, are great principles. And if we can follow that vision and not stray, we will be headed towards the right way, the right track, and the best possible life for us and our nation.